Hi all you art lovers out there, how you doing today? I have my mixture of, basic mixture of 5% glue all, 1% Floetrol, and ½ ounce of flow improver in here. See if you can see that. I don't know if you can. Kind of mounds up, but you know. So I figured since I had a little extra left over, I'll show you how I make my thing. Today I'm going to be making deco art, craft paints here, acrylic paint, and this is a pink. These are 5 ounces, I believe. Little 5-ounce plastic cups you can buy at Walmart or pretty much anywhere, dollar store. I fill it up, and you see that? Not that much. And then I add my mixture about the same amount. You see that? Pretty much level. I reuse my sticks, by the way. Wash them up. After they dry, then I reuse them. Anything to save money in the studio. Usually I go around and go back and forth, and then around the edges and go back and forth. But I'm going to have these probably set for a day or so, so I'm whipping these up just, yeah. So we ain't here all day doing it. Alright. See if I can get this in here where you can see how it kind of mounds up. Mounds goes away, mounds goes away. That's about the way I get my paints. Yeah, if I need to, that's just about right. It's about where I like it. But if it sets up, then I use a mixture of 10% Floetrol and 90% water to make it thinner. Instead of using just plain water, I use a mixture. About like that. We'll go with the bright orange next. Same way. Mixture about the same amount. Whoa! Woo! You were kidding, it's bright. get this. Hope you can see that. Just a mound on a mound. Doesn't run straight through, you know, just kind of mounds up a little bit, then disappears. So. And I found out about that is just right for what things I do. What we got here? Oh, sour apple. I went overboard a little bit, so I have to add a little more paint to it. Mound on a mound. There you go. That's how I mix my paints. Basically 1 to 1. Get it to where it kind of mounds up. A mound on top of a mound type thing. So there you go. Don't forget to hit that little button right down there, the little red button. After you hit that red button, go ahead and hit that little notification bell so you know when I'm uploading my next videos. Look down in the descriptions for my PayPal tip jar and other links to my D&D Creation Fine Art apparel. And till next time, go paint something.